Hey guys, it's your girl Sabrina Latrice here. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Sabrina Latrice. It's nice to meet you. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. I'm so excited for you guys to see this video today. I've been working really hard on this video, and I know you're going to be like, Sabrina, it's just a hair tutorial. But you guys don't understand how hard it is for me to actually film hair tutorials when I'm doing hair. Sometimes I get so caught up in actually doing my project that I forget to actually record the process. So today I'm bringing to you guys how I turned my wig from a color 4 with highlights into a jet black unit. Now, it's been a huge trend out here for a 30-inch jet black bust down middle part unit, and I'm finally bringing that tutorial to you guys. I typically don't go for jet black hair, but I'm so glad that I went out and actually did it. It looks so good in this video, as you can see, and I'm so excited to share this journey with you guys in this tutorial. I do want to let you guys know as well that this unit is actually from my own hair collection, the Divine Dior collection. I will be dropping my website and a grand opening sale pretty soon. So make sure you guys go to my Instagram and make sure to follow me. I update you guys weekly on when that actual grand opening will be. That way you guys can cop this wig in the sale. Y'all, let me know how you guys like this wig in the comments. I absolutely love when you guys comment and tell me what you want to see, what you like, any details, any questions, anything like that. Make sure you leave it down below, and I'll make sure I get back to each and every one of you. Again, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I'm gonna stop talking so you guys can see the process and enjoy this music. But again, thank you for tuning into this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and you hit that notification bell so that you are notified when I upload.
Picture a youngin' that used to live for the summer, skip meals to go run amongst all his peers. Now fast forward up a few years, that giddy little kitty growed up and all of a sudden had to pay bills. My current dichotomy grown from pure curiosity. Guess I didn't know that part of the deal, or know how quick it get real. Feeling so fleeting, me and myself need a meeting to make it clearer. Conversate with the mirror, watch your language when talking to me. I'm the one that's with you. Speak some life in the self, you should opt in the optimism. When options turn into prisons, getting offered the slimmest pickings. Remember, this place we in is a thief of joy, yeah, to steal. But no matter how much it take, I got more to give. I know that this world is all I'm giving, and all of these thrills don't count for living. A little more will is all it takes, so I persevere, I'm not afraid. And right when it's falling off, not all is lost, it's giving me chills. I got a feeling, I gotta see stars and cars I'm whipping, cause none of my dreams involve a ceiling. I seen a child raise a village, and he didn't come from no privilege that made me conquer some limits. I've arisen from prisons, head on collision with visions I had back then, it was written. I've been walking in purpose, I've been coaching myself on life, telling me that it's worth it. It's some things I'm still gonna improve, and the timing is perfect. Still paranoid that I make it lose, like some toxic been lurking, anticipating my every move. On the back of my shirt is a target made to play me a fool. I won't fall to the serpent. Swear to God, I've been working like a doctor and surgeon, trying to piece together the pieces and heal up what hurted. My vice suffice till it don't, it shows.
Burn one, bitch, I wish you would.
More to keep me right. Oh, wish you the best if you ain't know this would be like. So I miss so much the days we was rolling for pins and whites. And Lord, it done been some nights, but I'm growing inside this world and keep rolling. I know that this world is all I'm giving, and all of these thrills don't count for living. A little more will is all it takes, so I persevere, I'm not afraid. And right when it's falling off, not all is lost.
traveling only in my head. From the past to future play, more change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped, even when the tide and the current start to shift. I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. The balance between problem solving and the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need, but to actualize it I can't doubt, no doubt. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity. I choose peace, and I'll forever and always be present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped, even when the tide and the current start to shift. I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. I honor God when I honor me. I honor God when I honor you. You honor God when you honor me. If you don't honor God, how could you honor me? Honor me. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do?
Yeah.
You look like you lost some weight.
Thank you, because I know everybody keeps saying that, but I don't see it.
You do.
Thank you.
Let me, something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural. Edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take you. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the Waterbury sign.
Now, y'all can't tell me that this wig did not slay. I absolutely love the way it turned out, from the luster, the curls, just everything about it just screams luxury. I don't know, but lately I've been really into the color black because black is luxury. I don't know if it's just because it's Black History Month, y'all, but black has been on my roster heavy lately, whether it's hair, clothes, makeup. Like, black is where it's at right now. But I want to thank you guys again for tuning into this video. If you loved what you saw, make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you comment and go ahead and subscribe. And also go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you are notified when I upload. Thank you again for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye.